Hello, welcome sa Raven Speaks Tarot channel. This is Raven and I will be doing another Love Collective reading today. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga posts ko. Note that this is a general reading, so take only what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay? So, let's start. Spirit guides and angels, please give me a message for the collective today. Spirit guides and angels, please give us a message for the collective reading today. Okay, so please give us a message. Three of Swords, Four of Cups, Six of Cups. At the bottom of the deck, Five of Cups. I feel that there is someone who is sad at the moment. Itong taong to, nalulungkot siya because there is a breakup, a separation sa inyong dalawa. I think sa ngayon hindi kayo nag-uusap dalawa and there might be some distance, but I see that this person, itong malungkot na taong to, is inaalala ka lagi kang naiisip bago siya, pagkagising niya sa umaga or pagkatapos niya, or kung matutulog na siya, or kung naiisip ka rin ito kapag nasa trabaho siya or kahit saan siyang pumunta. Sa ngayon, makikita ko na hindi kayo nag-uusap and I think there has been an breakup sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so tignan pa natin. Please give us more message for the collective. 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 Hermit, Ace of Cups, Emperor. At the bottom of the deck, Ace of Wands. Itong person mo, nakikita ko na ina-isolate lang niya yung sarili niya sa ngayon. Posibleng hindi siya nakikipag-usap sa ibang tao. Alam mo yung kung may lakad siya sa sarili lang niya, wala siyang kasamang iba, as in solo lang talaga siya. Nag-iisa lang to ngayon and I think palagi ka nitong naiisip. I think this person is very passionate towards you and really loves you. However, at the moment, you two are not speaking and I feel that this person was really heartbroken about what happened and I feel that this person really wants to speak with you na. However, I feel that itong taong to is medyo ma-pride. So, there is no action between you two at the moment. Let's check more. Please give us a hidden truth or kung anong gustong sabihin nitong taong to pero hindi niya masabi-sabi sa'yo. Please give us a hidden truth This person pala might be a businessman or someone with high authority, a manager, ganun. Please give us what's the hidden truth or hidden message ng taong ito sa'yo. Please give us a message. I wish I had treated you better. I wish I could share my good news with you. I love you. Okay? I'm not available at the bottom of the deck. Okay? I feel that this person really loves you. Mahal na mahal ka nga ng taong to. And there is a possibility that this person is already committed to someone, my boyfriend or girlfriend, or this person is already married. I feel that this person is also thinking of mga what ifs, like what if ikaw yung pinili ko, mga ganon. Ano kaya yung meron sa atin kung ikaw yung naging kasama ko. However, I feel that this person is restricted at the moment. Hindi ka, kumbaga, hindi makagawa itong taong to ng paraan para makita ka. Kasi parang sa nakikita ko, parang merong isang tao, if this person is already committed, I feel that there is someone around him that lagi siyang binabantayan, ganun, kaya hindi siya makagawa ng paraan para makontak ka. If this person naman is single, I feel that this person has many things to do. Marami itong ginagawa. Possible na maraming ginagawa sa trabaho or maraming ginagawa sa pamilya. Kaya hindi ka nito makontak agad-agad. I feel that this person is the type of person na tinatapos niya muna lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. If you two have some plans before, like going out or magta-travel together, I feel that this person is the type of person na tinatapos niya muna lahat yung gawain niya, yung wala siyang iniiwang pending na gawain bago siya makipagkita sa'yo. Siguro ikaw nafe-feel mo na bakit ang tagal nitong makipagkita sa akin and all, pero kasi ang reasoning lang talaga ng taong to is ayaw niya talaga na may mga pending na gawain. Gusto niya yung tipong tapos na lahat ng mga gawain niya para makita ka. Kumbaga ikaw yung pinaka niya, reward, ganun. Okay? So sa ngayon, hindi ka nito makausap due to responsibilities, or maybe this person is already committed and there is someone who's always checking him, kaya his actions is restricted. Kumbaga hindi ka niya makontak. Okay? But I feel that this person really loves you, really misses you, and wanted to see you. I also feel that this person, kumbaga, alam na nito na, na nasasaktan ka na niya. Alam rin nito na, kumbaga, nararamdaman niya and alam niya na nag-aantay ka sa kanya. Pero wala nga siyang magawa para gumawa ng paraan para makausap ka, kasi nga restricted nga talaga yung kumbaga hindi siya makakilos kasi marami siyang ginagawa, or yun nga, baka may nakabantay sa kanya. Yun. So, ano pa? Let's ask for an advice na lang. Ito na lang. Spirit guides and angels, please give us an advice for the collective. Please give us an advice for the collective. Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. At the bottom of the deck, Queen of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. I feel that this card advice that you focus on yourself at the moment. I see that you have some things that you wanted to accomplish or you wanted to achieve para sa sarili mo, and siguro meron kang pangarap nung bata ka, pwedeng matuto kang mag-drive or matuto kang mag-makeup, yung mga ganung hobby. I think this card is advising you to focus on yourself, focus on what you want for now, and I feel that there is a possibility that if you focus on something that you're interested with, your hobby, I think pwede mo tong maging business in the future, and I see that your business will thrive, mas magiging kumbaga magiging successful itong business mo, kasi itong cards na to lahat puro pentacles, which means more focus on more money, more stability, and I feel that this card is advising that you focus more on yourself, on what you wanted to do, and if this person really wants to be back or to reconnect with you, itong person na mismo yung gagawa ng paraan para makita ka. Don't call him or her, don't text, don't post sa social media anything that's kumbaga yung mga patama sa kanya. Huwag mong gawin yun. Ang gawin mo, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Kung may mga hobbies ka na gusto mo, start, gawin mo na. And I think that this hobby of yours will be successful in the future. Okay? So, ayun lang mga ka-Ravens. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you again on my future readings. Love and light.